In this video, I am going to prove to you that you can make money from the financial market automatically, no matter who you are. If this is the kind of content that you are interested in, please click on the subscribe button, like this video, and comment down below. In case you don't know me, my name is Tom, aka High Frequency Market Killer 100 pips a day. In this channel, I prove to you that you can make money in the financial market automatically, no matter who you are. If you can recall, I made a video 2 weeks ago on how to install Vixibot MetaTrader 5, MetaTrader 4 trading bot. And in this video, I am going to show you how much profit. No. I am not only going to show you, but I'm going to prove to you how much profit I have made between the period of 2 weeks of installing this bot. So it is going to be fun. Without wasting much of the time, let's dive in. Here is my VPS, and you can see Vixibot on the chart of Euro USD H1 time frame right now. So if I click on the chart, you are going to see I am definitely using the default symbols with no restriction right from the time I installed this. But though I was using the minimum lot size, but that's the minimum volume multiplier. But I later changed it to 4 as my account was growing. So I have my license key here, my magic number, which is the ID of this bot. But that is not what we are interested on. We are interested to see how much profit I've made between the period of 2 weeks of installing this bot. So I am going to close this because we are not interested. This video is not about that for now. And if I go to my trade history, you can see trade here. These are the current trade that is opening right now. And if I go to my trade history, so you are going to see that on this specific date time, I deposited $2,000 into my FBS trading broker. Okay, so if I navigate to my Telegram, in which my Vixibot is sending me notification on Telegram, you are going to see most of the trade that was executed on my account. You can see the UK 100 short position was executed, Euro USD, USD card, GBP, Euro, and so on and so forth. You can see a whole lot of trade that was executed with the trading volume that was executed on my account. And I'm going to navigate it down to the end, and you can see the last trade that was executed is on these indices. I don't know what it is, if it is indices SHL. Okay, now if I navigate to my VPAs, let me maximize this. You are going to see that trade was executed. This was a buy position on USD SAR, and you can see from there, you can see that this trade was executed by expert ID known as expert ID 1234, and that's exactly the ID of Vixibot. Look at it, 1234. See it yourself. Okay, you can see it yourself right here. So you can see the profit I made was just a little profit. And of course, no. Yes, little profit. And you can see a loss here of -2, and profit and loss and profit and loss. And what I want to point out to you is that if any bot provider is telling you that his trading bot is a holy grail trading bot that doesn't make losses, just say to him,
na lie.
because he is definitely trying to scam you. And in Fluronix, we are open to everything. Our Discord channel is open for you to comment how much profit or how much loss that you have made so that we can improve. And I'm going to show you right on this video of the feedback I got from different students who are using Fluronix trading robots like Vixibot. And this is my trading history. I'm going to navigate it down. You can see how it executed the trade. Bam, boom, 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 boom. You can see boom. And none of this trade that was executed manually. It's all executed by Vixibot trading, but you can see the expert ID on the screen. Boom, profit. You can see, bam, see it for yourself. This is the amount of money in which I can confidently tell you that in the country I'm living on, it is so difficult to make this amount of money if you are working in the period of 2 months or even 3 months. But with Vixibot, this is possible. This is boom, incredible. If you are not trading with Vixibot, trust me, you are absolutely losing out. You are missing out. I'm telling you that you are definitely missing out. So this is profit, and you can see how much profit at the last, bam, and this is boom. You can see we made $1,293 just by running my Vixibot and lying on my bed and sleeping. I did not do anything. At some given point, I will have to manually close some trade. And I want to point out something. If you are using Vixibot or if you are planning to use Vixibot and your account size is lower than 500 USDT, then cent account is highly recommended to use. Go for cent account, but if it is greater or equals to 500 USD, then go for a dollar account. So this is it. Bam, bam, bam. You can see the profit. 1,293 profit in the period of 2 weeks of running Vixibot. This is amazing. This is incredible. If you are not trading with Vixibot, trust me, you are absolutely doing it the wrong way. From here, you can see the floating profit that is being running right now. It might be loss at the end or profit. We don't care. We are actually running on floating loss at the moment, but we don't care because at the end, we are going up home with profit. I mean profit, boom. I'm going to paste a link down below the description of this video. Click on the link to install your Vixibot if you really want to make profit like this. And I am going to be making a $100 giveaway for my subscribers who comments on this video every single month. So 2 of my subscribers are going to be a winner this month and the coming months just like that. So if you have not just subscribed to this channel, click on the subscribe button and comment down below. Who knows if you might definitely be among the winners of the $100 giveaway. So click on the subscribe button. Okay, so that is it for me and how much profit I have made. But I am not the only one that is making profit with Vixibot. So I am going to navigate to our official Discord channel in which you can join on the link on the description of this channel. So you can see a guy called Tabots25 on our Discord channel. He pasted a screenshot of how much profit he have made. This is a floating profit. And you can also see from here the close profit of 92 USDT. You can see a lot of profit, a lot of profit, a lot of profit. So if you are interested to try out Vixibot, I am going to paste a link on the description of this video. Click on the link and install Vixibot, then see it yourself. Who knows if you might be the next person to make the next $1,000. So that is it for me in this video. In the coming video, I am going to show you how to make money from statistic arbitrage in futures trading. In case you don't know what is statistical arbitrage, then click on the subscribe button of this video. Stay tuned. See you then.